Next in for view from Eufy is the C28A Robot Vacuum Omni, which is their latest cleaner. Here's the box, too big to unbox as I'd normally do, but it shows you what it can do on the box itself, which is lots. Pretty simple to set up and go through. You get instructions here on the front and a booklet there, and of course there's a QR code to give you help on lots of stuff as well. And then we get the contents of the box. You get 2 extra rollers. You've got the ramp and all that stuff. That's underneath it there. You have mops and rollers. And you've got lots of extras. You've got the vacuum bag inside, a dust box. Loads of little pieces, which is cool. And it's simple to maintain and simple to swap out. And that's the entirety of it there. You have 2 bins on top, one for clean and one for waste. So let's look at the app next. Okay, so we're quickly going to go through the app and show you what's involved. It's pretty much the same as most apps that do the same thing. Now, this also has a widget, so we just put the widget up here to show you what it looks like. And this is the Eufy app, and here, so you just open this here, bring it to the same thing. You can see here is a map of what we've done, and when you're filling, or when it's refilling with water and also on, you get this little animation here. You can do multi-maps in here, you can edit the maps in here, and all that kind of stuff. And then you can merge your rooms for here, rename them and so on. No-go zone and carpets. And you've got a map display as well, room types and room name. So it's pretty simple in that department. You can see up here, it's drying them up after use. So you can go into your room here, you can see the way it's laid out and so on. Then you got your zones in here. And basically that's how it's going to work. And you press home here to go home, and job is done. So what you can also do then is add a device, add a favourite, scan the QR code. You can also set up routines, your favourites, and then you go into clean here. So if you go on to this here, you probably heard it there, start cleaning. So I'm going to stop it. So you go in then to mop cleaning, you can see here, and you probably hear it in the background there as well. You can go in here to wash your mop. You then have AI automation, you've got different programs in here as well, and you can see here in the bottom, mop is cleaning in there. So that's pretty much it in here. So then in here, you've got your base settings, your cleaning history, schedules, manage your map, dry your mop, empty the dustbin, and you see all this later on, and you can go home as well from there. And you got your Eufy Lab, more settings, and in here it's got child lock, manual controls, area unit settings, firmware, 3D, accessory services, and contact us, voice settings and so on. So you can change the voice to different languages as well, male or female, which is nice. And you can upload your activity log if you want to do so, and you can find your robot in there as well. And you set it do not disturb time too. Again, you can use this remotely too if you want to do so. You can have your schedules, your base station settings here, auto empty, frequency, auto drying, you have drying mode and standard dry in there, quick dry as well, and all that kind of stuff in there. You've got your dry mop too, which is not going to show now because it's in a progress of cleaning up there. And that's basically what you've got in here. So you've got your cleaning intensity, water level, suction type, and saves a common task. And you can vacuum and mop at the same time. Now when you're setting it up to go, you can just map the room first, or you can map and mop at the same time. Then you can go around and clean it again with the cleaning option. And you have both the wet and dry clean at the end of the day, and the floors will look spotless when it's done. So that's pretty much it there on the app. There's lots involved. You've got services in here too, and your smart in here. And then up here you've got your cloud, third party, your widget which we've shown you. You can customise your homepage, share devices and settings in there. So that's basically it in the map. It's pretty simple enough to use, no problem at all. You've got your favourites in here. You get your accessory services in there, and you can go through here, you can get replace as well, and that's pretty much it. So it's all pretty simple to use and pretty cool. We didn't use scheduled tasks, we just use this randomly like any other one we've done, and you can add favourites in here. So now let's have a look at it in action. So now it's starting to do a map around the kitchen. So we've left stuff as it is so you can see it actually working. So we'll leave it be, let it do its job, and we'll come back. So you can see here it's going nicely around the dog area we have here. Now it's taking a different direction. So we have it going set up for the kitchen and the hall. And now it's cleaning on its way as well, which is cool. You can see the trail behind it, which is excellent. So we'll let it further do its job. We'll come back after that. Just going into the three corners there. Now it's these little areas where you catch these robots out, and you can see it's gone in there, no problem. Barely tipping the door, has the bumper on front, and there you are. Clever little guy, isn't it? Here's another little busy corner. No problem at all. It detects the clothes horse. Boy, do I despise the things. But what do you do? Another tight corner where you put this to the test. Around my office chair and the table. Now we have it going around doing a hoover in the house, cleaning up all the dirt, and that's left, or that was there. Again, it's going to follow the same map that you've done. And again, you can see it gets all the corners nicely. No tricking. Like some I've done that completely just miss corners. Again, you can see gets right in. Pretty cool. Good job. Here they're cleaning up itself there. At the back of this there's a little tray as well where it latches onto. Now it's washing the mop off there. And that's basically what'll happen then when it's finished doing that, it'll be clean and ready to go again. So that's basically it in a nutshell, folks. Pretty cool piece of kit. Simple to use, simple to set up. Get your floors clean with no hassle. Press a button and away you go. And finally, before we go, it'll say start drying mops, and you can hear it there now in the drying process, and that's basically it. Job is done. So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Speak to you soon. And this is the results that you have with your floor. Nice and clean. I did leave them dirty, and now they're not. Nice and shiny. See you in the next one.